So let's begin with why the Noetic Math Competition. As most of you know, the significance of math competitions, especially at elementary level, is incredible, right? Not just in terms of a competitive perspective for schooling, for academics, but also because, well, you can take the prep into your own hands, right? For most of you guys who attended our webinars before, one of the main things we point out is that in the typical American core curriculum per se at public school level, even the top public schools, there is a huge gap between elementary and middle school, and math competitions is a fascinating way to bridge that gap because, well, it's one of those avenues that truly instills within the students a sense of passion, because it's not just your typical theory-based math. It's a lot of fun questions that often can also lead to your passion cultivation, right? So it can cultivate interest, develop thinking, and exercise ability. And of course, which I always emphasize with parents, is it's going to build a lot of character as well. Students at an early age are going to learn how to deal with wins, losses, how to improve, what to improve in, hard work. These are all great skills to have at an elementary level, especially, right? So should all students participate? A resounding yes. Whether you're doing it from a competitive standpoint, do it. Very good. Whether you're doing it so that students can enjoy math, start to have some interest in it, absolutely. Whether it's the first one or the latter, both are served by math competitions. Both are great avenues and great ways to look at competitions. And each competition at each grade level, the ones we recommend are as follows. We have shown this before as well. For grade 1 and 2, that would be Math Kangaroo and Noetic. For grade 3, Math Kangaroo, Math League, and Noetic. For grade 4, as you can see, there's a bunch of other competitions. As you go higher in, besides grade, as you go higher from grade 4 onwards, there's a lot of other competitions like AMC 8 that become a little bit more important. But especially from grade 1 through 4, Noetic is amazing. Why? Because it's highly organized, it's focused on the fundamentals, and it enriches problem-solving ability. So the three main takeaways, if there's anything you can take from why Noetic, would be that it is challenging, but it is foundational. So it provides an adequate amount of challenge. It's not a cakewalk, but the focus is on the fundamentals. So it serves as a great stepping stone because it's not the most difficult. If you say compared to a Math Kangaroo, it is not at that level, but still has a lot of challenge. It's still ahead of the private school core curriculum. And this is great for parents who are, say, new to all of this, right? Or a year in and think that there was a step that they missed on before they took on all these challenging competitions like Math Kangaroo and so on. So this is great for you guys. And everyone can participate. It is one of the largest officiated competitions available, grades 2 all the way through grade 8. Over 26,000 students had participated, over 550 schools in this national contest. And finally, my favorite, awards, and more awards. Noetic is grounded in a theme of math as a celebration, not a competition. And that means that you have numerous awards available for each grade level. About 50% of the participants can get awarded. So that's wonderful, right? It's a great opportunity for students to build a sense of confidence. And, even if they're not doing the best, it's certainly one of those that can instill in them that, hey, I can do this. I'm doing well in this. So it is amazing as a stepping stone.